So before solving the numericals of 1.4, we have to see about two theories: terminating decimal expansion, and non-terminating expansion. So now for terminating, suppose we have a rational number given p by q. So here our denominator q is always multiple of 2 or 5, or both 2 and 5 also. If our q is multiple of 2 and 5 only, or 2 or 5, then we can call it is a terminating decimal example, right? Now take an example. Suppose the number is given 17 by 5. So here q is 5, so we can say it is a terminating number. Now terminating number is always going to end. Suppose we divide this by 5, it is 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So your answer is 3.4. Whereas in non-terminating, if you take an example in p by q form, the q is multiple of other than 2 or 5. Suppose we take an example 1 by 3. Here 3 is not a 2 or 5, multiple of 2 or 5. So you can divide here. Right? So this number will be go continuously to infinite. So this type of numbers are basically non-terminating numbers. So this is the terminating and non-terminating. Now the division of terminating number are very easy. Here we have to set the number. Suppose here 17 upon 5. So here 5 is 1 time, so we have to multiply 2 1 time. It is 34 by 10. So we can write 3.4. So division of terminating numbers are very easy. So we have to see exercise 1.4, question number 1, which is we have to identify the given numbers are terminating or not. Now question first. So in this we have to identify whether these given numbers are terminating or not. So now the first question is 13 upon 3125. Here q is 3125. So when we factorize it, we can write it is the multiple of 5. So it is a 5 power 5. Here we have to multiply in a rough page and we have to write this number. Now here this is the multiple of 5 only, so we can say this terminating. Now the second one, here 8 is given, so it is 2 power 3. Here also it is a multiple of 2, so it is also terminating. Now the third one is 64 upon 455. So we have to factorize. When we factorize, it is 5 into 91. Here 91 is not a factor of 5 or 2. So it is a non-terminating decimal expansion. Now 16 into 1600. So it is 16 into 100 basically. So for 16 we can write 2 power 4, and for 100 we can write 2 power 2 into 5 power 2. Here q is multiple of 2 and 5 only, so it is terminating. Now here 343, so it is the cube of 7, so we can write 7 into 7 into 7. It is other than 2 and 5, so it is non-terminating. Now 6 here in the denominator 2 power 3 and 5 power 2 are given, so this is already multiple of 2 and 3, sorry 2 and 5, so it is terminating. Now the seventh question. Now here it is in denominator 2 power 2, 5 power 7, 7 power 5 is given. Here 7 power 5 is not a multiple of 2 and 5, so it is non-terminating. Now here 15 is given, so we can add 3 into 5, but here 6 is given, which is factor of 3 also, so we can add 3 into 5, sorry 3 into 2, it is 2 by 5. Now here in denominator it is only 5, so it is multiple of 5, so we can write terminating. Now here it is 35, so we can write 7 into 5, this is 5 into 10, so 5 5 this is 7 by 10. Now 10 is 2 into 5, so it is also multiple of 2 and 5, so it is also terminating. Now this is now 10th one, so it is 77 upon 210, so we can write 11 into 7. This one is 30 into 7. So here 7 it is 11 upon 30. Here 30 is a multiple of 3, so it is non-terminating. Now question number 2. So in question number 2, we have to divide the numbers. In question number 1, which are terminating decimal expansion, we have to convert it in decimal form. So the first number is terminating, so we have to convert this into decimal expansion. So you already seen it is 30 into 5 by 5. So here we have to multiply it to power 5 and also in numerator, which is 13 into 32. Now 5 2s are 10, so we can have 10 power 5. Now 13 into 32 is 416. Now it is 10 power 5, so we can write 10 power 5. Now we have to convert it into decimal form, so we can write 0.00416. This is our first question. Now the second one, so it is 17 upon 2 power 3, so we have to multiply 5 power 3 in numerator and in denominator also, in numerator and denominator. Now 5 power 3 is 125, and here 2 into 5 is 10, so we can add 10 power 3. Now 7 into 125 is 2125, and 10 power 3 is 1000, so it is 2.125. Now the third question is non-terminating, so we have to not take it, we have to take fourth one. So we already seen it is 15 upon 16 means 2 power 4, and 100 means 2 power 2 into 5 power 2, so it is basically 15 into 2 power 6 into 5 power 2. Here 2 is 6 times and 5 is 2 times, so we have to multiply 5 power 4 in denominator and numerator as well as. Now 15 into, now 5 power 4 is 625. Now here it is 2 power 6 into 5 power 6. Now 15 into 625 is 9375, and it is 10 power 6, which means 60 in the denominator. Now we have to divide, so we have to cut the 6 decimal expansion, so it is 0.009375. Now fifth one is not terminating, so we have to not take it. Now the sixth one, it is 23 upon 2 power 3 and 5 power 2. Here 2 is 3 times, whereas 5 is 2 times, so we have to multiply 5 one time. 23 5 is 150, that is 2 power 3 and 5 power 3. Now it's 2 5 and 10 power 3 is 1000, it is 0.115. Now the sixth one, so first of all we will convert it into simple rational number, so it is 3 2s and 3 5s. This is 2 by 5. Here 5 is 1 time, so we have to multiply 2 1 time. This is 4 by 10, so we can write 0.4. In the ninth one, it is 7 into 5, and it is 10 into 5. So 5 5 cut, it is 7 by 10, so we can write 0.7. Right, so in the question 1, the question number 3rd, 5th, 7th and 10th are non-terminating, so we have to not take here, we have to take only decimal numbers here. So these are the 1st, 2nd, 4th, 6th, 8th and 9th are the terminating decimal expansion. Now question number 3rd, so in this question number 3rd, there are basically three real numbers are given, so we have to identify the following numbers are rational or not. If it is rational, then we know it can be in P by Q form, right? After that we have to tell what is the Q, what is the property of Q. So now first, so here the number is given 43.123456789. So here the numbers are ending, it means it is terminating number, so you can write it is terminating. Now terminating number are always rational numbers, so it is rational number. It means when we write the P by Q form of this number, the Q must be multiple of 2 or 5. Now the second one is 0.120, 1200, 12000 up to infinite. Now here this up to infinite and also non-recurring. Recurring means it is repeating and non-recurring means it is not repeating. When the numbers are non-terminating and non-recurring, then it is irrational number. But remember, when given number is non-terminating and non-recurring, then it is an irrational number. If it is irrational number, we cannot write it in a p by q form. Now the third one is given 43.123456789 and the bar is given. The meaning of the bar is the number is repeating. It means 43.123456789. Again, the sequence will be start up to infinite. Here it is up to infinite, so it is non-terminating. But it is recurring. Hence it is rational number. Right, it is rational number. It means we can write it in p by q form. But here q has a factor other than 2 and 5 because it is non-terminating. So q has a factor. You have factor other than 2 or